Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 CR-V Hybrid SE. Of course, moving around the car, you'll notice you do get full LED headlights. You also get LED fog lights and 4 front parking sensors to make this thing an absolute doddle to park. Walking around the car as well, I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do get on these alloys. We do have 18-inch gunmetal grey with a diamond cut face alloys on this car. Walking around the car again, just showing you the back of it now. We've then got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which does make this thing an absolute doddle to park. We've then got plenty of room in the tailgate area with your pull-out privacy shelf as well. Nice and easy to use, it will clamp straight into position there. You've then got a 12-volt power outlet just below and a lever on either side, as again you do have the 60-40 split flat folding rear seats. You pull the lever and as you can see it will fold flat with the boot port just there. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, you have got the flat folding seat just here. It's nice and easy to put it back into place, just lift up and it will clamp straight back in. It will set in the upright position as you can see here, then you just pull the lever here and it will drop back into a more reclined position for more comfort in the rear. You have got full cloth black interior with ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric automatic windows all round and keyless entry and keyless start. Inside the car now, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your eCVT gearbox, and then we do also have your sports, econ and EV mode. We've got dual climate control, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. On the 7-inch display up top, we have got your satellite navigation. We've got your various audio sources just here. And we've also got your Bluetooth hands-free. This car does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functions as well. We've then got your audio controls and Bluetooth hands-free controls with onboard computer controls on the left. We've got your cruise control and speed limiter with lane keep assist and distance control on the right. You've then got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 32,231 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this CR-V, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.